This is my homemade baling machine, made from scrap, from bits I got out of dumpsters and skips and things like that, and other bits of pallet wood and whatever. So it's a very simple construction, just a door, a base, and then at the top there's a plunger, which we'll show later. The method of loading the string is to attach the string to these screws here. So that goes on that and then drops down into the machine. The bottom of the machine has two sets of screws, and then there's a repeat procedure for the other side. So this shows the two strings in, then each one goes to its own little slot here, and then the door is brought together to close, and we can then load up the baler with hay. Continue until it's full. So we've loaded up the machine with hay. Make sure that the door is closed and held by that turnbuckle, and then we use this as a ram. So that provides compression. It's quite an elastic material, but it at least gets it some way down. Then we disengage the ram, disengage the thread from the screw at the back, come down here, put the loose end through the loop, and then just tighten this as best we can. And then use a simple bow knot here. You can really use the spring, reuse the string. So we do one, then we've got to do the other one. So with both strings tied, then we just got to open the turnbuckles here, open the door, and then extract the bale of hay. And that's a convenient method to move it. It's not as big as a mechanical baler would do it, but nevertheless it's just a lot more convenient having the loose hay. That then goes into store. It's got a lovely smell, but you can't get that on the video. Just a marvellous aroma.